I was gonna try to go get some dick after this, but I'm a little stupid.
Hey, I did the most for the bands. Niggas can't tell me shit. New ice in the dance, swimming like Phelps and shit.
It's your boy Optimistic. I'm back at it again with another lit video, man. And today I got my boy Jay.
Oh yeah, my bad. If you're asking questions.
You feel me? And I got my girl.
K-Slave, you know what
Feel me? Alright, today we're gonna be going to McDonald's. We're gonna do the chicken nugget challenge.
Yep, 100 chicken nugget challenge.
100 chicken nuggets.
300 chicken nuggets.
You feel me? What she said. Yeah, man. It's gonna be a lit video, man. Give this video a like, comment if you're new, share, subscribe.
Ring that bell.
Ring that bell. Most importantly, ring that bell, man, for post notifications on. And you know what it is. You feel me? Okay.
We spent $80 on 300 chicken nuggets.
My mom sorry.
This was my food for a whole week. Only that's a whole week.
My mom sorry.
I got $41.
300 chicken. I see this receipt.
Dang, that's a long ass receipt. Alright, so we got 300 chicken nuggets.
Guys, we got 300 chicken nuggets.
300.
Oh my
And
God.
this is all the sauces that we got.
Y'all ready to
Crazy,
eat?
dog.
Nah, me.
I'm ready to
I wanna
like
take
300 chicken nuggets.
I need to take a picture.
This is crazy.
I think so. Oh my God.
Let's eat. You know what I'm saying?
It's your camera.
I know, I hate it too.
I was gonna pop the thing, but alright, y'all. Finally.
An extra one of those I could possibly eat, do you?
Now we doing it for a video. Are you hungry? Here, have a box. No problem. Yeah. Alright, y'all. So I'm gonna eat 90. Oh, sorry. Alright, y'all. I'm gonna eat 90 because this man was hungry. So we need people to give him back some food. So we gotta see if we can finish all these nuggets.
It's already hella dry, so now
It's hella dry, but it ain't too cold. We can still eat it.
yeah, we're gonna talk about that.
Yeah, this sauce. This sauce make your poop orange.
I'm eating.
And it's spicy. Woo. People like mukbangs, huh?
Tap out first.
This
I ain't tapping out.
nasty, dog. Where the thank you.
I gotta turn my because the camera's just kind of far. Ooh, this is spicy. Y'all, this sauce making it spicy. What? Hey, scoop more this way.
We're really gonna have a stomach cake, I feel like.
Bro,
I'm full enough.
I ain't eating nothing at first. I was gonna try to go get some dick after this, but I'm a little sleep.
Whoa, now. You got too much dip on your chip.
No, and we could still go shoot an interview after this too.
That's what yeah, it's probably lit right now.
Yeah. Bangers too.
Thanks. So now,
Y'all look forward to my kiss or grad, you feel me? You know I'm finna. You smart. I know I'm finna. Be the first girl to do it. They told me I'm the second, but you know.
Who's the first, man?
I'm the first.
I know I should have turned my phone on airplane mode.
you too close, dog.
Man, y'all big ass in school. Alright, that's 10 down.
Already?
Found my friend in the pit.
Yeah, I ate more than 10 actually. I was eating off camera a little bit, but yeah. Actually, no, it was all on camera.
You gotta, every time you get a sauce, you gotta,
Oh, hell no.
that's what you gotta do.
You have a friend here. I got a new YouTuber friend. I don't even know. He DM me and I ain't respond.
That's tough.
Yeah, you gonna have to put that footage in there.
That's tough.
I mean,
I didn't start responding to people, man. I'm not one of them girls that like don't respond, but
I really didn't care.
I don't mean to not respond. I didn't know who you was. Now I know who you are, so I'll respond. That sounds like a gold digger. It do, but like, I like people that be on the same shit I'm on. Like average people, you can't do this with. Motherfuckers be like, no, I don't want to do that. I don't want to do that.
This is crazy. I don't even know what cameras look like, dog.
I'm just looking in the middle.
I know. Oh, yeah, we gotta talk on your camera.
My bad.
Talk on your camera.
My bad, subscribers.
I'm just vibing.
Okay, slaves, we
Just
just
vibing.
But,
well,
what we gonna
it's
talk
hard
about,
being a young adult.
I don't know.
We can talk about that.
What?
You got good grades at school?
Good grade?
I got D's and F's. I go to class though, but I don't study.
You sleeping in class?
No, I put my headphones in.
So you're not listening?
And I watch Vines. Nah, I be paying attention. I be taking notes.
I be seeing your notes.
Yeah.
I be stalking her, dog. I don't know.
Okay. I be taking notes.
Oh, yeah.
Now some people shit. It's just like I
I be
just watching
taking
the
notes.
story.
I be trying to study. No, he paid really good attention. Like I could, like most people, I could like tell them something, and then a few weeks later I'll say something different. Then he'll be like, "But didn't you say da 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 da?" And he be
I
catching
got
me.
hella nuggets right here. That's probably
Yeah, no lie. I'm only 20 in, and I feel like I can't eat it.
Oh, I only ate 10 months, bro. I'm full.
I lost count.
Well, look, I got one. That's empty box. I got 2 empty
I'm
boxes.
gonna just start stuffing
That's
my
how
face.
you know I'm fat, because I'm out doing these niggas. Let me talk to
About
her.
these sack YouTubers. Let's talk about that.
Sack YouTubers. It's one sack YouTuber I love.
Who?
Shout out Kayla.
Yeah, I fucks with Kayla though.
She just dropped her sneaker haul.
She don't remember me though. I'm putting that. Put that in. She don't remember.
I don't even, she don't watch this whole video. Shout out, that's Rob.
Yeah.
I
But you need to get back, bro. You need to stop with that.
Yeah, come on, Rob.
Come on,
I tried to
Rob.
get you on your shit. Me and Rob was gonna make a fake couples channel, but
That could have blown
that
up.
could have blown up, man. We still, I mean, it might not be fake. Oh, no shade. It might not be fake. We've been good friends for 4 years.
Rob, you better be on that.
Stop playing. Wow. How many sack YouTubers are there?
Bow.
Hello.
I know. We got Liddy Mike, Liddy McSpicy,
Liddy McChicken.
Liddy McChicken.
What? I mean, you didn't it?
No, that's what I
No,
call
Liddy
him.
Mc. It's Liddy.
Liddy McChicken.
No,
That's what I started calling him.
Liddy
No,
Mike.
he Liddy McNugget now.
Liddy McChicken.
Yes, now he Liddy McNugget.
You got me playing.
Liddy McNugget, my nigga. Watch this video.
Shit.
We got Rob. We got Kayla. We got Sierra.
Who's Sierra?
The YouTuber that got like 200,000.
200,000? Who is
I
this?
think the most subscribed is 400.
Is who?
How much you
How
got?
much he got?
He almost, I think he got 800,000.
Wait, and Sack?
Yeah.
What the hell? I used to watch Living Like Black Larry, but he don't post anymore.
And then
Come on, Larry, what happened
And
to
you
you?
got Cartola, and you got Barbie Bands.
There's a lot of YouTubers on here,
Hella.
but not as many as LA.
Oh yeah, LA. If you go out there, you social. You already in the clique.
Right.
Oh, out there, if you run into DDG or some shit. Oh, you want to be a part of this? Boop, boop, boop. Gonna get you to an easy 200K. Then have the fake beef.
Did y'all see?
Man.
Y'all see? Did anybody watch Chris Sales? Chris Sales and Savvy and Queen and Clarence. I think I'm gonna start a channel with Rob and we're gonna pull a move to get some views.
I need a girlfriend. I'm single.
I need a boyfriend, but if y'all can see his camera just failed.
I really get you a camera.
Yeah.
I could get one, but
Hey, Amazon credit. That's how I got mine.
really?
Yeah, and I only paid $20 a month for it, and I gotta pay it off for a year.
I don't want to do no payments.
It's $20 a month.
Hey, that's. Did you get it instantly?
Yeah.
You still paying it off?
My bad, guys.
It's only $20 a month.
I'm broke right now.
They gave me $1,800 to spend. I only spent $400 on the camera. So I just paid $20.
Amazon credits.
I don't think I could do it. You're almost starting to sweat.
This is hurt.
You think? You sweating? Optimistic can't do it. I'll tell him he a whistle.
This is.
Just remember, if you don't
If
finish
you
this, you
lose
got
this.
$100.
Oh yeah, he wants some niggas. That's why I'm glad I gave him 10 of mine. Because, matter of fact, yeah, this giveaway,
They're gonna be finished one way or another.
I can't eat 100, bruh. Hey, we should do whoever wins get $20.
Money? Money's on the line?
Money's on the line. Okay.
Motivating you, huh? Yeah.
You know, I'm not even full.
Alright,
I'm not
he
even full.
can't.
Y'all tripping.
Alright,
You know what I'm
whoever wins, whoever eats all the nuggets gets $20. Oh, we should have said that in
Oh,
the
it's a
beginning.
time limit.
No. Wait, time limit.
saying?
But nah, you ain't even eating the honey. Oh, you is? Okay.
Yeah,
you
I ate one of those. These are
You ate one?
Yeah.
Alright, so it's ice.
You heard me?
What? I don't know what he said in his camera, but anyways, I'm finna get a dub. So I will only spend $20.
When y'all hear the audio, y'all gonna laugh.
Aww.
No camera.
No battery.
Charge the battery.
Who's good? I want no battery.
Ooh, prepared. I can feel it.
Where are you? Come here.
I'll do it.
Check if my camera died. I know battery is dead.
Nah.
Bruh. I shot like 2 videos today. Proud of myself.
What was the first one?
Teaching teens how to get jobs, and everybody was requesting it.
Oh, but the food's good. It's like a baby.
But I'm getting my personal video, editing the video,
It's good.
optimization, man. Y'all don't know how much time this takes. So appreciate this content because we put time into it. It's hard. It's not hard.
He left. My bad.
It ain't hard because I love doing it, but bruh, it's a lot of work. I ain't even gonna lie. I gotta go on live real quick.
You guys going
I'm
live.
just trying to make it.
But I can't do it.
Timothy the baby eat like that. He'd be like,
I'm full. I'm on camera.
my nuggets cold.
No lie,
Your
bro.
nuggets cold, huh?
They stale, the
They
motherfucker.
getting cold.
Whoever wins get $20. And I finished 30 nuggets. Almost 30 nuggets. I'm beating Jay.
You're not beating me. You got with me.
Beating
No.
Optimus. You sweating. What you talking about? I'm beating you.
The nuggets eating you. Got a lot of videos coming for you guys.
You got enough energy to shoot after this?
And of what? We've been on a tragedy for. Oh, what if we get copyrighted?
It is doing that. It doesn't do that. I swear
We
to God.
got copyrighted, but I don't think we get copyrighted until like people report you.
Nah.
Cause I got reported for R. Kelly song.
Yeah,
Because it's R.
got
Kelly food, that's why.
I got one for Blueface.
I tried to put West Coast as a background track in one of my videos where I was my Get to Know Me tag. I tried to put West Coast in the back of it, but it's copyrighted as soon as I
It wasn't
upload it.
even a full song of R. Kelly.
He was like,
I'm Halloween. But nah. But you know what you do? You can go and search the tracks that you can use in your videos. That's my video. That's why I have Beyonce and J. Cole Party in my intro. Because you can use it and it's free.
And then also, you got copyrighted for that though?
yeah.
R. Kelly. Nobody like R. Kelly no more.
And you know when it was the video when he had all the pianos and the forks and Yeah, it was that.
So, because YouTube, I thought they changed their policy. It has to be under 10 minutes or 10 seconds.
Like, I remember I was getting a lot of strikes.
What? Huh?
What?
Next thing, if you get enough copyright, they could delete his channel.
Yeah.
Something like that, yeah.
But
YouTube trying to be nice and not give him that strike, so rest be on his account forever.
there's too many chicken nuggets.
Well, no, it's so hard to get in contact with YouTube.
How does that work?
What
You talking about?
Fly me a
to get in
barbecue.
contact.
What, other YouTubers?
No, with YouTube. Like,
Right, you
Oh.
could just email me.
Well, what did you say
they
to
won't
them?
return.
What did you say to them?
Huh?
Like, what did you say to them?
No, that's what I heard.
Huh?
That's what I heard.
What'd you say to them?
Nothing, I'm just saying I heard.
Oh.
Oh.
To
I don't think
contact
so.
YouTube.
I think it's easy. Optimistic never really.
Not if you got a lot of subscribers, maybe.
I just touched a $100. That's a lot.
And then when we hit 10K, 8K and up, we'll be able to go in this actual YouTube space.
For real?
Yeah, like you get to go there,
I'm winning, y'all. Oh wait, I got one
go
more.
there, use their editing, use their cameras and everything.
For real?
Yeah, that's probably when you start making money.
I already got a manager.
Cool.
My coworker. I don't know. He gave me a good idea though. My last video. I'm taking some thanks from David Dobrik.
I'm getting tired.
I'm cold. Oh,
Whoever eats the
God.
most, that's what we're gonna change
I
it
won't
to.
vote for these 10 bands. You know, you know.
30 blood. Bang, bang.
And say who you think gonna win.
Yara, that's who. K Slays, that's what we slay. K Slayers, y'all already know.
What y'all doing over there?
I hope you know we on camera in 3 different angles. Y'all ain't slick. Optimistic, you ain't even.
What?
You making out with the
Yeah.
nuggets?
Optimistic is a cheater. You a cheater too. You whispered something in your video too. You ain't
I
slick.
didn't do that.
I'm the only one that is following the rules ethically. Ooh, I use a big word. They said that in my accounting class. It means a good. And yeah, that's what you did. You keep adding nuggets to my pile.
No.
That's what you keep doing.
No.
Yeah, you ain't slick, bro.
I
Nah.
didn't do such a thing. I'm innocent.
Ain't no way I had 50 left.
How many did you eat?
You taking my boxes. That's what you doing. Give me back my box. No, you give me a full box. I'm talking about an empty box.
No, this is my box. I ate.
Nah. I ain't more than y'all some cheaters,
even
bro.
But look at you gave away 10 away.
Then why do I still have 100 left?
You don't have 100 left.
It's 30, 60, 30, 40, 30, 40, 50,
The beauty
60,
is not
70,
the-
80, oh, never mind.
Nuggets get into your head.
How many nuggets?
Hold up.
Shout out to Retro Spectro.
McDonald's need to sponsor us.
I'm gonna get married in McDonald's. That's what they do in China. I was watching a video.
Oh my god.
You could get married in McDonald's. But
This is stressing me out.
I swear to God.
Do it.
Bro, I'm gonna throw up at the end of this video. Like, I hope y'all know we really doing this, and it's not just for camera. Like, we really be out here doing what we say we be doing on camera. Like, I don't lie to y'all. I don't do fake pranks. All my crew real.
The shade off.
Who else be doing fake pranks? DDG. Look, I ain't gonna do it.
They still got jokes.
They gonna It's too got those two. They gonna demonetize this video if it blow up for defamation of character.
No.
He been the same character since
I swear.
All those girls.
You like, hi.
All them girls are Mystic Chocolate. He gets a one main one, like for 2 months.
Not for 2 years, 3 years.
Nuh-uh.
Jasmine.
I used to watch his video.
Jasmine, yeah.
I used to watch Mystic video when Bella was his girlfriend.
Yeah, me too.
Yeah, but Bella,
Yeah.
he left him around 2015, 2016.
Damn niggas know timelines and shit.
Cause that's when
Cause you
that was
got
the
that
time
Mustang.
period when he was, and then he got that Lamborghini.
And then he met the blonde girl.
Yeah,
Oh, you
Jasmine.
get a Lamborghini, you got the Maserati.
Yeah, Maserati did him.
But he's been having hella other girls in all of his videos too.
Well, those are for
I stopped watching Mr. God though.
Yeah, that's
I love Ace Family.
don't watch
those cars having it. She was like, Daddy, I want this. And he was like, here you go, but don't tell your mom.
How do you know this?
It's been yes, camera.
I'm dead.
And everybody been bashing him about it. And
But I was watching a video yesterday. Somebody did a video to Catherine Hayes, and they were talking about some Austin raped somebody in Miami,
oh yeah,
and he cheating on Catherine.
oh yeah, that was true.
YouTube drama.
Too much.
I'm
But
gonna say this now.
It's an NDA though.
While I only got 100 subs, if y'all see me in any drama in the future, just know I'm a real nigga. Got boobs, I can't do that.
I swear she a nigga, dog. She a nigga in a female body.
I'm a bad bitch. I'm a nigga in a bad bitch's body. But I'm still a bad bitch, because I'm a girly too.
Period, boo.
That's on the period.
Period, boo.
Oh yeah, Serena, my friend Serena, she's also a YouTuber. What, 3.4K, something like that.
Yeah.
His girlfriend, oh, no, his girlfriend named me bust you out on camera.
Oh yeah, I don't care.
Nah, I ain't gonna bust
Monet.
Oh, you said it. You said yourself. Monet, I don't watch, like, I don't follow you now, but I see Optimistic post, she back on her shit again, this shit's dope as fuck. Like, nigga, get off her dick. But he loves you. He be talking about you every time you go to the mall. And he was telling me about your friend earlier, how she was at the mall and you wasn't, and you. Y'all know who I'm finna call? I'm finna call Derek. That's who I'm finna call.
Derek.
How many niggas you say?
Shut up.
The only way is up.
Y'all think you done at this point? Like, we full,
He occupied.
wait, hold on. I thought y'all
Nah, don't say that.
I'm still going.
I'm still going too.
Answer the phone. Like it doesn't. I need a boyfriend.
I need a girlfriend.
I don't do really.
You're not a girlfriend, you know you do. This is really what I do every night.
How many do you?
How many do I have? I don't know.
If we get tired of one dick, you just be like, let me call up this
If you
nigga
get tired
Matthew.
of one day, you just be like,
Let me guess, Derek is the
I'm not
big
even
dick
gonna
nigga.
cap. I'm not even gonna cap. It's good to have options.
oh my mama, I swear.
Oh, you the same one?
Bruh.
It's good to have options.
I have to have options because I don't know why. I don't do it.
I mean,
I'm a cheater. Y'all seen that from my relationship story time. I told y'all I cheated on my ex first. But he didn't know that, so it didn't count.
I would have been heartbroken. I would have been, nigga, I'm out there like,
wait a minute. Start off.
He didn't know that, it didn't count. And he would cheat on me. He really cheated on me first. But I cheated on him before I knew he cheated on me. Does that make sense? So we both already cheated. I felt like he cheated on me. I just didn't know for sure. So I cheated too. Because I felt like
hey, what's up nigga on for Boondocks, you know what?
What?
The warrior that always be crying about his life.
Oh, Sam?
bruh, no lie.
Yeah.
I can't finish this chicken
I
nuggets.
can't either.
Say
Hey, if we both agree to tap out, we good. Like,
All of us.
you don't win that. You didn't put up $10.
Oh, man. Drop $10.
Nah, man. And anyways, if anybody win, I think it should be me because I almost ate like 30, 40. I ate like 40. But
I finished one.
I think we're gonna get him some more. You want some more? Yeah, I'm gonna get him too. So I'm not gonna eat these. Here you go.
Thank you so much,
No
guys.
problem. You have a good one. Take some sauce if you want some too.
Sir, you want some?
Oh yeah, there's hella people in here to get some food too.
You guys make your video already?
Yeah.
Yeah, we're wrapping it up.
Hey, bless you guys on views.
Thank you. If we eat it, we all eat it.
I feel like
We're
throwing
giving
up.
all these chicken nuggets away now,
I feel. All right, so I'm guessing we all tapped
It's
out.
already in the video, sir.
Yeah, I finished all these. You know what I'm saying? I won. You know, I'm just playing. I ate that. But no, we couldn't eat no more. It's crazy.
Hope I got all the.
Jay got questions. You feel me?
Wait, are we vlogging? Hold on.
We got K
Where's my
Slays.
camera? Oh, right there.
Finish the challenge, but
Y'all.
We couldn't finish the challenge, y'all. We couldn't. My stomach hurt. I feel like I gotta use the bathroom. Hey, we gotta film this other video too.
bangers on bangers on bangers.
That's 2 videos, dog.
Today was a success after reviewing some food.
I need something to drink, bro. I need something to wash this down. I didn't get
Alright, my case last my baby. This was the 300 chicken nugget challenge. I hope y'all enjoyed the video.
God, my stomach hurt, bro. I can't, bro. Hey man, I hope you guys enjoyed that video. If you did, please give it a like, comment, share, subscribe. If you're new, turn that post notification bell on. And yeah, shout out to K Slays. You feel me? Jay got questions. You feel me? And shout out to cameraman for this. Alright, it's your boy Optimistically out.
Fuck sending shots, they not on my level. When I walk, I be right like the devil. Credit card, a big card, I got several. I spend a lot, you spending real careful. All these hundreds I throw in the duffel. Only better you